Day 2 of the Speak Basque from Zero and Say This With Me challenge. Ni esternais. Esternais. Ni esternais. Esternais. It means I'm Esther. Now swap out your name. Ni, nice. Ni Mikel nice. Ni Anne nice. Ni Idoia nice. Ni Esther nice. And leave off the ni. Esther nice. Mikel nice. That ni is not necessary. So fill it in. Ni nice. O Esther nice. Follow that pattern. Now here's your challenge. Type in the comments your quick introduction, or better yet, can you record yourself introducing yourself to the community of Basque learners with a simple Esther nice? Takes less than 5 seconds, and share that. That's how we build a community of Basque learners. A little bit of accountability. Ayo.